Isofix is an international installation standard for fitting a car seat to a vehicle without the need for an adult seatbelt. Fitting an Isofix car seat is quick, simple and safe, and makes it almost impossible to get the installation wrong. Most modern cars and all new cars from 2006 have Isofix anchor points. Isofix car seats are installed quickly and easily, either by using an Isofix base, which connects into the vehicle's anchor points, or by integrated Isofix connectors, which connect directly to the vehicle without the need for a base. Isofix ensures a sturdy and stable connection between the car seat and the vehicle anchor points. 52% of parents are using and installing their car seats incorrectly. Isofix eliminates fitting problems common with the use of adult seatbelts. Therefore, the risk of installation error is minimised. If you want to know more about Isofix, why not come into store and speak to one of our trained experts who will be happy to provide a free car seat fitting service.